I think my favorite story about Methodist Family Health happened this summer. I called up a friend of mine and I asked her if she knew someone who could help out with something we were working on. And she goes, "Wait, Methodist Family Health, did that used to be called Methodist Children's Home?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's what the name was a while back." And she said, "Oh my word, I'll do whatever you need. Methodist Children's Home saved my mom's life."
When someone asks what Methodist Family Health does, it's really hard to explain because there's so much. From the foster care to the residential treatment facility to the outpatient to there's a whole laundry list of things that they do.
Our family has lots of great opportunities. Our kids have lots of great opportunities. They have this really amazing structure and support system and safety net. And when something goes wrong in our household, there's a million ways for them to get back on the right track. But not every kid in Arkansas has that opportunity. If you have childhood trauma that hasn't been dealt with, your chances of being successful in life kind of plummet. And Methodist Family Health is doing more than any other group I've seen to fight that. When a kid walks into Methodist Family Health, we want them to feel at home. So we've got gifts for them and teddy bears, and there's a fun playground that they can go hang out on, and there's some books to read at the back of the hall. Just those little special touches that make it feel like it's home, not just an office or a house. And it turns out that in the late 50s, early 60s, her grandmother was in an abusive relationship and took her 4 kids and left the Jonesboro area where she was without a way to make a living, without any family, and came to Little Rock to Methodist Children's Home. So they gave this woman a job, they gave her independence, and they gave her protection. And she was just like, "Yeah, I'll do anything you need me to. Whatever it is, I'll see what I can do." And I just thought that was so cool. And then I started thinking, how many of us, if we were to go talk to all our friends and our family and say, "Have you ever heard of Methodist Family Health or Methodist Children's Home?" How many of us would have somebody say, "Yeah, they saved my brother's life. They saved my cousin's life"? I think that there's probably a ton of stories like that. There's just so many things that Methodist Family Health does, we don't always know about it. And that's really the goal, right? That people would get out of whatever situation they're in because of the services Methodist Family Health offers.